Hello YouTube. Welcome back to another video here on Teacher Paul Eats. I'm Teacher Paul and I eat. I think the name is kind of self-explanatory. And well, let me just explain what happened. I stayed 24 hours without eating anything, just fasting. And now I'm gonna sit and indulge and eat one of my wife's trademark dishes, which is the spaghetti with the cheese, with the bacon. Oh yeah, amazing. So I haven't eaten anything for 24 hours and I did wake up hungry this morning, so this is gonna be a blast. You guys are gonna get to see how a person reacts to food after not having it for at least 24 hours. Actually, if I check my clock and if I am correct, let me just take a quick look over here. It is 11:30. So that means I have been more than 24 hours without eating. Let me show you this once more. Goodness. Oh my gosh. Can you see it? Oh, look at that. Look at that bacon. My goodness. This is better than a restaurant, to be honest. Look at that. Let me just get a good thumbnail here. Making funny faces at the camera. I can't do this for long because I'm drooling and I'll get saliva on my table. Look at that. Look at that bacon. Look at that cheese. Oh gosh. This is awesome. This is awesome. And I'm gonna get my sparkling water as usual so I can... Oh yeah, that's what I like in sparkling. It's a bit more intense than the other one I had in the first video I made. And enough talking. Gosh. Say a little prayer. Because you gotta thank God for this. And I mean, I'm not gonna review it because this is one of my wife's best recipe. And God, can you hear the salivation, if that's such a thing? Gosh. 24 hours. I'm gonna break the fast with my wife's special spaghetti, cheese, bacon. This is... I'm so excited. I just feel like clapping. I just gotta stop and think about this moment right now. It's the little things that make a difference in your life. I mean, if you ever resent something, or if you ever feel like you're not giving that specific thing enough value, try staying without it for like, I don't know, 24 hours a week, because you will value it afterwards. I guarantee that. I guarantee you will start valuing things after you spend time without it. And you'll realize that these things are important in the world. Food, having food at home. You know how many people don't have food at home? You have food at home, so value it. Don't overdo it, don't indulge too much. But yeah. You skinny chicks, eat your food. Eat it. This is so good. This is, I mean, props to my wife. She's a godsend. I mean, gosh, look at that. I think I put too much spaghetti in my mouth. If that's ever a thing, can you put too much spaghetti in your mouth? I don't think that's a thing. How much spaghetti is too much spaghetti? You know what I mean? If you're not familiar with these type of videos, which I think you do, I mean, you're looking for mukbang. I feel like I gotta explain for the newcomers and for people who don't know what mukbang is. It's just me or a person having lunch, dinner, enjoying their meal in front of a camera and sharing their experiences with other people, foodies such as me. So, if you're here to criticize or say anything, then be ready to get some backlash from other people who actually enjoy the sport. Eating is a sport. And yeah, I'm quite new to this. This is my first ever mukbang channel. And I'm on my 4th video, so this is the first time I actually eat or have lunch or actually dinner in front of a camera. And it's an interesting experience. I'm looking forward to the comments on this video. Okay. I'm not I'm not shaking anymore. I'm not sweating anymore. I'm just happy. And I'm just enjoying my dinner after not having any food for 24 hours, which I do believe does bring benefits. Look up intermittent fasting and you'll understand. This is the only thing I'm gonna eat today, so and after this I'm gonna take my multivitamins so that I get restored on all the vitamins that I lost. I'm gonna drink more water, and yeah, so this is actually the only thing I'm gonna eat for the whole day. So it's gonna actually help me with weight loss as well. just because I ate fewer calories than usual. Enjoy the company. Enjoy the experience. If you want the recipe for this dish, then let me know. Maybe I can convince my wife to share the recipe with me, or I could spy on her while she prepares this another day, and I can share it with you guys. I feel like this is a moment of triumph. I mean, you enjoy your food much more when you have been fasting, and it's awesome. Try it out. I mean, this is the best way to have your favorite dish. This is definitely my favorite spaghetti dish, courtesy of my wife. The best way for you to have your favorite dish is to fast. And I've done this before, not on camera, but whenever I go to like a Brazilian steakhouse or a bottomless pizza parlor or Korean barbecue, I fast before, because when I go there, I eat copious amounts of food and they all taste amazing. I'm getting the hiccups here. So let me just drink some water. Gosh. Where will all this bacon go? If you're a vegetarian, I'm sorry if I offended you, but bacon is life. No discussion. Although pancetta goes better with this dish, but we're out of pancetta. I feel awesome. I'm gonna sit down and let my stomach digest, and Just, I don't know. I'm eating carbs at is it? Let me see what time it is. It's 10 to midnight. So let's say it's midnight. I'm eating carbs at midnight, and carbs actually help you sleep better. So I'm gonna have the best night of my life. If you want to see the aftermath, go on Instagram and follow me, because I'm gonna be posting stories. And if you ask me, oh, what happened afterwards? Did you have a good night's sleep? I'm gonna share it on Instagram, and you're gonna be able to see it. But this is amazing. This is awesome. One of the best experiences that I've had in a while regarding food. And if you have any suggestions, just leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm posting videos every weekend, Saturdays and Sundays at 12 p.m. so you can have lunch with me, with Teacher Paul, with your friendly friend, and I'll see you next time. See you guys. Peace. Peace. I wonder if there's more.